Are you ready to unlock your earnings and get paid directly through PayPal? Join me as I walk you step by step through setting up your Pond5 payout preferences and linking your PayPal account for smooth, automatic withdrawals. Welcome back. In case you're not familiar, Pond5 is a marketplace where you can sell your content including photos, illustrations, templates, videos, and sounds. If you're curious about becoming a Pond5 contributor, check out the tutorial on my YouTube channel, Facebook, or TikTok. Now, let's navigate to the Pond5 payout settings. After logging into your Pond5 account, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the homepage. Then, click on Account. Scroll down to the bottom of the payout preferences and click on the Edit Account Info button. A pop-up window will appear. Just click on Send Email. This action sends a link to your email. Go to your email and look for the Pond5 message. Once you open the email, you'll see a link similar to the one shown here. Simply click on it or copy it and return to Pond5 account and paste it into the top field of your browser and press Enter. This will allow you to edit your information, including your payout method. Scroll down to access payout preferences. Let's explain the payout preferences settings. If you check this option, profits will be sent to you once your earnings reach a minimum of $25 on the 15th of each month. The second option allows you to send only the profits for that current month. If you prefer not to send payments automatically, simply uncheck this option. And if you'd like to keep automatic payments enabled, check the Automatically Send Payment box. Next, you can link your Pond5 account to your payment provider of choice, whether that's Payoneer account, a Payoneer card, PayPal, or Skrill. Please note that with Skrill, there's a 4% fee applied to your payout withdrawal. Okay? Select PayPal and enter your email address in the provided field. Ensure that the email address you enter is already associated with your PayPal account. Then click on the Confirm button. Now that you've set your payout method, once your earnings reach a minimum of $25, the funds will be automatically withdrawn to your PayPal account on the 15th of each month. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to add PayPal to your Pond5 account and understand the payout preferences settings. Say you can withdraw profits directly to your PayPal. I hope this tutorial has been both helpful and clear. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe, and check out our other tutorials. Also, share this video with others who might benefit from using Pond5 or selling their content on the platform. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.